Today my recipe is delicious chicken rice. If you have never cooked chicken rice before, this is a perfect recipe for you to try. Let's get into cooking now. First, I'm gonna grind all the spices. 5 pods of green cardamoms in, about 2 inches of cinnamon stick crushed into pieces, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and a few cloves. I'm using natural ingredients to get all the flavors to my dish. Not only the flavors, each spice has different health benefits too. Let's season the chicken now. For making this chicken rice, I'm using 750 grams of chicken with bones. You can use boneless chicken as well, but my recommendation is to use chicken with bones, as you will get extra flavors from the chicken bones. Now, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, little bit of warmth and beautiful color to the dish, half a teaspoon of chili powder, which will add the heat to the dish. Give it a good mix. Leave aside for about 20 minutes. To make the sauce, I'm gonna use 6 garlic cloves, 2 onions and a piece of ginger. Chop these into little pieces. Then blend them all together with 1 cup of water. Next, I'm gonna chop 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Let's move on to rice now. I'm using 3 cups of basmati rice and wash 3 times until water runs clear. Then add some extra water and allow the rice to soak it up for about 20 minutes. Now let's go back to the chicken. First, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a heated pan on a medium flame. Add the ground spices and stir for a few seconds. Then add the seasoned chicken. Mix well and cook for another minute. Then add the chopped tomatoes. Mix thoroughly for another minute. Then add the ginger, garlic and onion mixture and mix well for about a minute or so. Next, add 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Give it a good mix. Let this cook about 2 minutes. You can use double cream as well. If you are using double cream, when you finish cooking this gravy, don't forget to add a bit of lemon juice too. I will be using this gravy to cook the rice. So, to get enough, I'm adding 2 cups of water. Mix thoroughly. Cook with the lid on over a low heat for about 20 minutes. You can stir in between. The chicken is well cooked now. I'm gonna separate the chicken from the gravy. This way you will get very nice and moist perfect chicken with your rice. Here I've got 3 cups of gravy to make the rice. Let me give you a tip. You can double the ingredients and make extra chicken and gravy. Then you can freeze it to use whenever you make rice next time, just like a frozen ready-made. Drain the rice and place in a rice cooker. Add 2 cups of water and 3 cups of chicken gravy. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Then lid on, cook until it's ready. If you don't have a rice cooker, I'm showing you how to cook the rice using a pan or a pot. It seems like a long process as I'm showing you these different methods, but in the end, you will really enjoy it. If you're using a pan, add 2 cups of water. Then 3 cups of chicken gravy and stir well. Now, same as before, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Then another 5 minutes, really low flame. The rice is cooked now. I'm gonna add the rice and the chicken together. Pan is on the high flame now. I'm adding the chicken and the cooked rice. This serves 6 to 8 people. Mix well and switch off the flame. All the flavors from the natural spices and the chicken, so good. Basmati is perfect for dishes like this. I'm going to serve this now. This is a wonderful dish to serve your guests. Great for the parties, even for the relaxing weekends, or special occasions. Have you ever tried avocado as a dessert? I'm just adding ice cream on the avocado. And to top it off, I added some honey too. Also, you can garnish with cashew nuts, fried onions, even fresh chopped coriander, parsley. Beautiful. It smells incredible. Along with this dish, I made chili paste, raita, and egg salad. You can have with this chutneys, pickles as well. I hope you could try this delicious recipe. Really appreciate it if you could share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another mouth-watering recipe.